Hello students, in the previous lecture we have studied about the energy expended in moving a point charge, right? Now today we'll discuss the line integral. So previously we have seen an equation, that is W is equal to minus Q integration of initial condition final condition EL dl, right? The integral expression of previous equation is an example of line integral test. That is what this equation, so I have shown in previous lecture, no? So this is that, taking the form of integral along the prescribed path. So this is our path we can take here. So initial condition is B and the final condition is A. Now here you can see electric field intensity E is generated over every path, that is points you are considering, this one point, second, third, fourth, fifth, like this some points are there. So over that point you will have a value of delta L1, delta L2, L3, L4, L5 and L6. This is a length, right? And these are the components of each path: EL1, EL2, EL3, EL4, EL5 and EL6, the length path, right? So that is the EL and DL are required to estimate the W over the defined path. Now without using a vector notation, so we should write this equation, that is W minus Q integration over initial condition to final condition EL dot EL dl. Now EL is component of E along the DL. Now the work involved in moving a charge Q from B to A is approximately, that is nothing but W minus Q into bracket. So all the components are required, up to 6 components are available, 6 paths, 6 sections are available. So EL1 delta L1 plus EL2 delta L2 up to EL6 delta L6. So that is W is equal to minus Q. You can write EL1 as E1 dot del L1 instead of this, right? The same thing for all components, it should be written, right? Now if we assume that electric field is a uniform, then what we tell is E1 E2 is nothing but all equal to E6, and that is all equal to E, you can write it as. So therefore if all this is things, so then we can take out E outside the dot product, so that will become minus Q into E dot del L1 up to del L6 divided by this LBA, right? So here you can not divided by LBA, so del L1 plus del LB2 L2 plus up to L6, it is nothing but called as LBA, length, right? So therefore we can write the expression for work done as W is equal to minus QE dot LBA under uniform E, under what, under this is what, uniform E. So this is the expression. So since the summation can be interpreted as a line integral, so the exact result for uniform field can be obtained as, so W is equal to minus Q integration over B dot A E dot dl. W is equal to minus Q E dot A integration of B dot A dl with uniform E, and W is equal to minus QE dot LBA under uniform E. For the case of uniform E, W does not depend on the particular path selected along which the charge is carried, it only depends on the value of the charge, right? So this is about the what, line integral, right? Now we'll see one of the example for evaluating the value of line integral. So given a non-uniform field is there, E is equal to y ax plus x ay plus 2az. Determine the work expended in carrying the 2-coulomb charge from point B, that is 1 0 1 to point A, 0.8 comma 0.6 comma 1 along the shorter arc of the circle, that is x square plus y square is equal to 1 and z is z is equal to 1. So this is the expression if you want to evaluate for any path, given path along circle is considered here, and this is electric field which is non-uniform field. So we want to determine the work expended carrying 2 charge coulomb from one point to B point to A along a shorter arc of circle, right? So you can assume this figure here, x y coordinates z is equal to 1 is considered here because this z is equal to 1 plane you can make. So B point will be this one, oh, there's 1, x is 1, y is z is 0, y is 1, right? So this is a B point. Now and a point is this one, 0.8, 0.6 and 1. So here x is 0.8, y is 0.6 and z is nothing but 1 on the circle. So z is equal to 1 is nothing but on the circle, right? And b is equal to x is equal to 1 and y is 0 here, and z is equal to means on the circle, right? So therefore you can have a differential value length dx ax plus dy ay plus dz az. There is a differential path, rectangular path it is, right? Now you already know the equation for w, that is minus q integration over b a e dot dl. So you substitute value of e. So this is the value of e. So y-ax plus x-ay dot plus 2az and value of dl. So already I have told you this value of dl should be substituted. Now here minus 2, as the charge is given as a minus 2 coulomb, this one. Now integration values will be what? It can be range from what? The values of integration will be point B. So it is a point B. So this is x coordinates. You can take for point B is point A. Initial position is 1 and final position is 0.8, right? So we can define this. A is 0.8 and B is 1, y dx along this, and minus 2 0.6 x dy minus 2 1 1 2 dz. So where circle equation is x square plus y square is equal to 1. So therefore x is equal to root of 1 minus y square and y is equal to root of 1 minus x square. So w will be y. I written like this because we need to integrate this y, so it should be root of 1 minus x square, right? And if it is x, it is 1 minus y square, and here there is no value of any z, right? So this can be written here equation. Instead of y this is written, instead of x this is written, and z is as it is. Now integration of this equation will be you can you get a value of this, right? That is what standard form x by 2 root of 1 minus x square plus what, half of sine square x, sine inverse of x, and here also same as it is written here, y by 2 root of 1 minus y square plus half of sine inverse y, and the positions values are same, and this will be what, this will be we are having a value, certain 0 value which is not having any constant, right? Therefore finally that is what integration here, integration over any a square minus u square d will be u by 2 root of a square minus u square plus a square by 2 sine square sine inverse of u by a. This is a standard formula, so for that we will get this, right? Now this the value of work done is expressed as minus 0.962. now okay, so this is what value of expended, right? So next we go to the example, that is one more example. Redo the example but use the straight line path from B to A, right? So it's not a circle here, so just a straight line path from B to A. So for that we need a equation, line equation. So y minus yb is equal to ya minus yb divided by xa minus xb into x minus xb. So therefore y is equal to minus 3x plus 3 it is, right? So this equation you have to need to be substituted in the previous equation. Instead of y here root of 1 minus y x square, you have to substitute the value of y here, okay? And we have to substitute the value of x, that is 1 minus y by 3, right? That is the difference between this and this. If it is given in the straight line and this is given in the form of short arc, right? So you need to develop this equation of line equation, and you need to substitute the value of y and x by considering this line equation, right? And you need to find out the value which will give also same charge expended, that is minus 0.962 joules. This is one of the example where we considered regarding solving the what, calculating the line integral or work expended, right? Where you can use the standard formula, integration over root of a square minus u square into du for getting the simplified form, because as we need to integrate over the x values, this need to be in terms of x, that is it should be in terms of 1 minus y square. So a charge will be same, you can observe here minus 0.962, this is also minus 0.962. so from this we can conclude that it does not depends on whatever the path, the direction of path it is, but it depends on what charge distribution availability. So there are some equations you can consider for That is what you can call it as a conservative property, right? Some equations are there in the rectangular dl value, and in cylindrical this is a dl value, and in spherical this is a dl value. So these are already have we discussed in the model 1. That is what we need, the dl length values for different coordinate systems. Thank you.